Hello everyone. I would like to make a quick video showing you guys how to describe the stock model in the newer version of Mastercam 2023. Previous versions of Mastercam 2022 backwards, the videos that are currently online work just fine, but when 2023 came out, Mastercam changed the methodology that it uses in order to describe the stock, and it's been confusing some of you guys, and so I want to make sure that I'm clear with it. Let me start out here by just drawing something simple. I'm going to anchor a rectangle here in the center, drag it out, and let me give it a size of 6.5 by 4 inches. And we'll say okay. Let me throw some lettering in here too. I created a word, the word test, just want to throw it in the middle so we have something to machine. All right, so this is typically what you would have on your screen. And then what we're going to do is choose a machine real quick. So you guys use the Tormach machine. So we'll right click here, go to Mill Toolpath, Contour, select Window, make a window around it, select where we want the contour to start, say OK. So one of the other things that changed real quick, I'll say it, is where the tool page is. It's still the same information required. They just kind of moved it around. So instead of it being up here, now it's down here. But all that information is basically the same. I'm going to choose a flat end mill, 1/8 inch. We're going to go to cut parameters because we're engraving. We're going to turn off cutter compensation and lead in, lead out. And when we go to our linking, I want to go to -0.1. And I'm going to say OK. So now we have a tool path here, and we're ready to describe the stock model. Okay, so the difference here is that when you go into properties and you click on stock setup, the first thing you need to do is make sure that it has a check mark here where it says show wireframe entities. All right, make sure that that is turned on. If you don't have it on, when you go to try to select these outer boundaries, it's not going to allow you to do so. The next thing you want to do is in these 4 icons that are right here is you want to click the far right one that says reset. That's just going to cancel out any previously selected geometry. Then move to the far left where it says bounding box. And before you do anything else, set where 0 is origin is supposed to be on this box. So I'm using the center of the part, top of the part, so I'm going to pick this origin right here. If you do this after, it's a 50-50 chance as to whether it's going to do the stock model correctly for you. You do it now, you're going to get the right stock model. Slide up here to where it says manual select, click on it, pick the 4 outer boundaries, and then up here at the top where it says end selection, when you click it, you will get the sizes, the X and the Y, populated for you in the box. All you have to do is click in here and add your thickness. I'm going to make this 375 thick. I'm going to say OK here, and then I'm going to say OK one more time. I've now described my stock model, and now when I want to backplot it to see it, and I go to the verify icon here on the top left, and we open up the verify page, there is the stock model, just as we described it. When I click the play button, there we go. And that's it. I just wanted to show you guys really, really quick how to describe the stock model so that it's easy for you to understand and you can look at your finished product being machined and also be able to turn in your assignment properly. So hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.